right? So today I'll be teaching you guys how to set up the 714 method on your smartphone. So let's dive into it. So first of all, when you open your trading view, right, let's choose Euro USD, assuming that's what you are going to trade the 714 method with, right? So we are in the Euro USD chart. Now I want you to set up this indicator, right? It's called Smart Order Blocks. So I want you to search on the indicators tab and set up this indicator called Smart Order Blocks, right? Now when you do, you see the first three boxes are going to be ticked. I want you to untick them because they are not necessary. They are just going to make the chart look bulky. Then you now come down, you see something like show trading sessions. Then you do what? You tick it. Now after ticking it, you see that it has differentiated the trading sessions into different segments, right? With London being the green one, New York being the red one, and the other sessions, right? So this is what I want you to do after that. Go to your tools panel, pick the vertical tool and mark the ending of the landing session. When you just look at it, the green side, that's the ending of the landing session. So mark it. Go back to your tools panel again, right? Pick the same vertical tool, mark 1 hour into the landing session, not outside the landing session, into the landing session, right? Go back again, pick your vertical tool and do what? Go back again, pick your vertical tool and do what? Mark again 1 hour into it. So looking at this, between those three lines we have 2 hours. Now whatever happens in the first hour, we expect to see the reverse in the second hour. So if we are in an uptrend in the first hour, we expect to see a downtrend in the next hour, just like in this. You can see in this example, in the first hour we're in a uptrend, and in the second hour we are in a downtrend. So this is just how you can set it up within a couple of minutes on your smartphone.